Hi, I'm Saraj Mudigonda with Imignation Technologies, and I'm going to present the native WebRTC SDK for Android and iOS. Just to give you a quick overview of Imagination's IP portfolio, we have communication processors, that is the connectivity, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. And then we have graphics and GPU compute. We have video accelerators. We have MIPS, Flow Cloud, and over and above, we have the WebRTC client, the native WebRTC client. I guess this is too technical. So bottom line, what do? We enable more than 6 billion products. All of them are mobile products, and that is almost more than 3 million per day. That's exactly what we do. The native WebRTC SDK. Now, what it means is we have both, as I said, Android and iOS for it's a completely native mobile SDK, and we have the WebRTC audio engine, video engine, and QoS. We have some enhancements, basically, which increases or improves the user experience. And we also have the audio pre-processing, which is a difficult problem to solve when you're doing a multi-platform solution. Like across the Android devices, iOS, it works seamlessly when you're on the speakerphone. And for completeness, we also have the security, transport layer security, stun, the SRTP, DTLS, and all the NAT traversals, ICE, stun, turn, all of that integrated with a signaling and a user interface. The signaling, we use SIP, but then we have a media engine WebRTC native SDK that can be used with any signaling. So we license all of these technologies, and they're all available, ready to go right away. It is an all-purpose media engine, as I said. We have it on iOS, Android, and for all the form factors like the tablets and the smartphones, fully optimized clients. And they're all available across the platform, ready to be integrated with different applications. Like we have video and voice over IP apps that can be downloadable from the Google Plays or iOS stores. Then for enterprise telephony, we have all the, in addition to WebRTC, we have all the other additional speech codecs or the video codecs that are needed to make it a complete solution. And so as for VoLTE as well as rich communication suite. So we use WebRTC to enable the WebRTC media engine to enable all of these different applications. So when we talk to the customers, we do offer WebRTC as an option. There are, of course, some interoperability issues, but with we supporting, WebRTC as well as the additional codecs, if any they need, it is an integrated single client. So over to demo. I don't have much to talk. All the talking will be done by the video and voice WebRTC clients that we have out here, iOS and Android. So if you can see, what we have done is we have a technology called enhanced voice quality management and dynamic video quality management. What this does is, like in environments like this, where you have a lot of Wi-Fi interference, packet losses, and so on and so forth, you basically can mitigate all of that using this nice, beautiful client over here. Unfortunately, I don't have HDMI or anything to connect, but we can probably show it. Sorry if I have not introduced my colleague here. He's Srinivas Mandavalli. He heads the engineering, and so I'm not sure, again, I mean, if you're able to see the clients from distance, but they work flawlessly. If you want, I can walk over, and then I have 5 more minutes left, I guess. So, feel free, basically, to take in your hands and feel the quality as you walk across. You want to give it? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Give me one of those also. It's VGA, 30 frames per second, but we do HD resolution as well. So it basically, we have adaptation that can adapt, this is the iOS and Android clients. And as you can see, I'm walking away from the access point. There's a lot of Wi-Fi interference over here, but you still see a very good voice quality without any you cannot make out the packet losses, literally. So yeah, we can do HD resolution as well. We do integrate with the hardware accelerators. Of course, we have our own hardware accelerators, but that doesn't mean that we get API access, always. There are some, closed loop phones. So these are, and we are in, booth stand 103. Please feel free to come by and see the clients. And we have demonstrated this at like CES and Mobile World Congress, where we have seen like it's like everybody is using the Wi-Fi, and there are like hundreds of Wi-Fi over there, but you see the same video quality across the board. Looks like we finished early. Thank you, everyone.